20-year-old man stabbed to death in London, Hackney. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The victim of a fatal stabbing in Hackney has been named as 20-year-old Jason Jr. Romeo. Police rushed to Bodney Road around 6 p.m. on Tuesday night, February 18, after reports of an altercation. London Ambulance Service worked to treat Jason at the scene, but he died sadly as a result of stab wounds. Officers later arrested a 25-year-old man and a 23-year-old man later that evening on suspicion of murder. They remain in police custody. A crime scene and police cordon were erected around Bodney Road on Wednesday for the forensics team to undertake an examination of the area. Police are appealing for anyone with information to come forward. Detective Superintendent Kelly Allen, leading the investigation in Hackney, said that Jason had his whole life ahead of him, but this senseless attack has taken that both from him and his loved ones. Our continued thoughts go to his family, who are being supported by specialist officers. Detective Chief Superintendent James Conway, who leads policing in Hackney and Tower Hamlets, said on Wednesday it is absolutely devastating for Jason's family and extremely distressing for the communities that another young life has been taken away as a consequence of knife crime. We continue to work closely with our local community partners and Hackney Council to tackle the cause and effects of knife crime. I will have additional ununiformed and plainclothes officers working in the area as a consequence of this tragic event. As Hackney mourns another victim of knife crime, the community is grappling with the devastating impact of violence that continue to claim young lives. Jason's tragic death marks another young life lost to knife crime in London and intensify actions to combat the epidemic. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.